In the heart of a bustling city where people rushed from dawn till dusk and clocks ruled every breath, there lived a child named Niko. Unlike other children, Niko was quiet, not because he was shy, but because he was listening. While the world buzzed with urgency, Niko noticed the silence between ticks of the clock, the hush beneath the footsteps of people rushing to nowhere. He often sat in the town square, watching life spin wildly around him like a wheel. No one could slow down. Adults whispered that something was strange about him. Teachers grew frustrated when he didn't rush through tasks or react to the bell. But Niko wasn't slow. He was simply present. One day, the mayor announced a competition. The child who can complete the Path of Progress, a high-tech maze of speed, puzzles, and time trials, will win a medal and a place in the city's Hall of Brilliance. The child joined, eager to prove themselves. Niko joined too, not for the medal, but because something inside told him this path must be walked slowly. The maze was a marvel of blinking lights, shifting walls, and clocks on every turn. Children ran, shouted, and scrambled to beat the timer. But Niko stopped. At the very first gate, he closed his eyes and breathed. The sensors didn't know how to respond. He moved slowly, deliberately. Where others saw countdowns, he saw patterns. Where others rushed past illusions, he paused and saw hidden doors. Room by room, the maze tried to confuse him. Speeding conveyor belts, blaring alarms, ticking bombs, but Niko kept still. In that stillness, time bent. The gears slowed, the lights dimmed. One by one, the illusions broke. At the center of the maze, Niko found a final door marked. Only the fastest may enter. But instead of speeding up, Niko sat down. The countdown began. 10, 9, 8. He did nothing. He just smiled gently, closed his eyes. 3, 2, 1, silence. The door swung open. Beyond it lay a garden, untouched, quiet, eternal. The mayor, watching from the control room, was speechless. How had this child broken the system? When Niko returned, the crowd was waiting. How did he win without racing? He looked up and said quietly, "I didn't stop time. I just stopped obeying it."